Hey guys, Dutchmeister here and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video today, I'll be editing this Yamaha R3 motorcycle with my Neon Tokyo preset, which is part of my Retrowave pack that you can download for free at dutchmeister.com/presets. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my weekly videos. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and select our preset, Neon Tokyo. Fantastic, and that looks pretty cool as it is, but we're just going to make just a couple of adjustments. So we're just going to increase the sharpening to 40. Lovely, and we'll just bring down the masking slightly to 80. Lovely. And with the noise reduction, we're just going to increase that to about 20. Lovely, just smooth that out a bit. And we're gonna take the vignette and just bring it down to -40. Excellent. And for the calibration, just bring back the red primary to 0 and bring down the blue primary hue to -50. And that's all we have to do. And there you have it guys, that's my slightly adjusted Neon Tokyo preset for this Yamaha R3, which looks pretty cool. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video guys, I really appreciate it. And again, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, comment below with any thoughts or suggestions you may have. I really love to hear your opinions. And on that note, hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!